With a budget under $1.1 million, can we buy a freehold detached home in Richmond Hill or Vaughan? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I am your real estate broker in GTA. Today, I continue to show freehold detached homes to a young couple located along Highway 404 in Richmond Hill. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. We are in the northwest of Richmond Hill. This community is quite mature. There are a lot of detached homes in this area. We are very close to Richmond Hill High School. Let's get inside the property. There is a storm door. This place is very convenient in winter to remove your jacket or your boots. After we open the door, on the right-hand side, we face the staircase that goes to the second floor. Following the corridor, we arrive at the dining room linked to the living room. Actually, the living room is also connected to the family room. There is no wall that separates these three rooms. We have a wood-burning fireplace over there, so this is the family room. This is an open concept dining room, living room and family room all connected. Let's have a look from this angle. This is the typical layout of a traditional detached home. We have a deck in the backyard. There is a canopy of grapes. It must have been planted over a decade ago. There is a barbecue oven there. The backyard is big. There are 2 vegetable gardens. There is a good distance between the neighbors and us, so we can enjoy our own privacy. The kitchen is very big. In older properties, sizes are usually bigger in general. We have cabinets there. Countertops are on 3 sides, so we have a lot of room for storage as for cooking. Let's have a look at this big kitchen from this angle. Behind me is a door to the garage. This is the dirt room with washer and dryer. Let's go see the second floor. This is the master bedroom, washroom, 4-set bathroom, sink, toilet, bathtub, and a shower. The room is very big, about 200 square feet. It's facing the backyard. We can see the canopy of grapes from the window. There are a lot of storage space with these 2 built-in closets. Next to the master bedroom is the second bedroom. It's not small. It's about 130-140 square feet. It's facing the side of the property. This is the second floor common bathroom. It has been renovated with a quartz countertop. It's very deep with a bathtub. This is the third bedroom. It's still pretty big. The window is facing the front yard. The last bedroom is the smallest one on the second floor, but it's still got 80 to 90 square feet. Now it is used as an office, but it could be used as a bedroom. There is a closet and 2 windows. This could be a kid's room without any problem. Let's look at the basement in the end. The basement is finished, and there is a kitchen there. It could be tenanted. There are 2 rooms that could be bedrooms. Now this room is used as the entertainment room. The other room is a bit smaller. There is a window too, so it could be used as a bedroom. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.